Hello. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana. And in today's video, we will be looking at roof works. So if you've been following this channel for the past, 1 month now, I've been showing our carpenter info, helping some of our subscribers with their roof works. So if you go to my playlist, you find, if you go to Info Carpenter, you'll find some of this project that we did. So I promise that I'll be showing the finishing, when the roof company comes in and does their installation. And here we go. I have two projects that I showed, in that playlist, the two previous roofing woodwork that we did. I'm here to show you the finishing and how it looks at the end. So this is the first one, and I mean, if you want to see a full work, how we came about, the end result, how we started, and we finish, you can check in my playlist. It's called the Info Carpenter.
So boss, they almost finished the roofing sheet. People are working hard, so finish everything for today. They about 4 people, so that is the last thing that they are putting there. They left the site. Now everything has been handed to us to continue our next step. So this is how it can land. So now a full finish in job, or the jobs have been completed. This be the leftover. This be the leftover. Wow, everything changed. Wow. Everything changed totally. Everything changed.
So that was the finishing for you, and you can see it for yourself. On this channel I like to show, working. So that's why I also let the guys, express themselves, take you through the process, the excitement. They also have joy, right? So doing it right, it also gives them the joy, so that they don't come back, to come and fix it, because it will also cost them money, time, transportation. So we just do it once and for all. So like I said in the previous video, we are still trying this company with the roofing. I mean, we've used them for about, I think, five projects now, but we are still in the rainy season, so we want to see how it will go after the rainy season. If calling them to come and, if there's any leakage, we have to call them to come and fix it. We want to see their response and their customer service, before I'll put them out there. But if you already like what you see and you want to use their services, based on what you've seen so far, you can get in touch with Ifo and Ifo will connect you to them. But seriously, they are doing amazing so far, with their services. What I've seen so far, they are good. So on that note, let's move to the second project.
So as we can see, everything been okay. Yeah, I mean, so this is how the roofing can end. So these be the frames that we do. The door frames. So this be the wood, the cut off for we have cut. So this one we finished the framework of. So we left the masons that will come and fix it. We finished the framework. So now we finish with the framework. So this is the door frames. So now I left the masons to come and start the fish. So this be our frame wood. So this be the wood we will use for the frames.
So there you have it, great finishes from Ifo. If you like what you see and you want to use his services, for your roofing and also your decking, Ifo will be glad, to come to your site, take measurements and give you estimate. And if you want to see how he started, the process, buying the wood, bringing it on site and everything, you go to my playlist. It's called the Ifo Carpenter. You'll see all the works that he has done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next episode.